here is how you can divide the screen into two parts on your iPad. So let me explain it, and if it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe right now so you never miss anything important. So it kind of depends on your iPad a little bit, like older models may not support it fully, but it basically just works through the multitasking features. Those can be found when you go to the settings, and on the left panel you can see that there is the multitasking and gestures, which is the thing I want you to click on. And essentially, in my case, I have three options. So I have the full screen apps, windowed apps, and a stage manager. And the first option basically doesn't allow the division or splitting the screen. So I want you to click on the windowed apps ideally, or you can also use stage manager, but I prefer the middle option. And now that we have the windowed apps selected, we need to decide which apps are actually going to split my iPad screen. So let me start with something basic. Like if I open up the photos, what I can do right now is grab the little handle which I have in the bottom right corner. So I can grab it like this, and you can see that I can literally just drag it like that and make sure that I resize it to the half of the screen like that. Now I'm going to minimize it for a while and choose some other app to take the other part. So for example, it's going to be the Files app. Right now it's still in the full screen, but I'm going to perform the same thing. Slide it like that, then grab it, and as you can see, we have two apps on the side like that. So now I basically have like the floating windows on the top of each other, but I can just flick the app like this, and now we have the perfect split screen where I have one app on this side and one app on the other, and I can multitask very nicely. So, that's how you can do this. There are obviously so many other things you can do about it. Like you can always click on the window and, I don't know, click on the full screen, minimize, or just do some different things. Like you can put it into the center, you can grab another window, or even open up more apps right at the same time. So if I would just go to the App Store like this, you can see that I can also resize it and have even more apps, right? So you can see that is the stuff that a lot of people are interested in, and it's definitely the multitasking. So yeah, that's something you can definitely play with. Let me know in the comments below if you would like to see some more extended tutorials about it. Subscribe so you don't miss it, and I'll see you later.